What's up everyone, welcome to another video of the Tech is 50. In this video I will show you that how you can take the screenshot and how you can record the screen on the new Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. So for that, let's jump to the table. So here is the device. I bought it in grey color. So let's unlock it first. Now, the first method to take the screenshot is place your 3 fingers on the screen and move them down suddenly like this, and it will take the screenshot. Here you have the option of scroll also if you have the long page to capture. Suppose that let's take this menu, it's long. Okay, and now press the scroll and then you scroll down to the end or half. It's up to you how much you want to take the screenshot, and then you will press the save. Okay, now the second method to take the screenshot is this volume down button and then this power button. Okay, so place your finger on the volume down button and the thumb on the power button and press them together like this, and it will take the screenshot. Here you will have the option of scroll again. Okay, now I'm going to show you the third method. For that, drag the quick toggle and drag it more, and here you will see the option of screenshot. Okay, here you can see when you will press it, it will take the screenshot. So this is the third method. So I showed you 3 methods of taking the screenshot on the Redmi Note 10. Now I'm going to show you that how you can record the screen on this device. Okay, so for that, drag the quick toggle, drag it more, and go to the second page of the toggle menu like this. Okay, and then here you will see the option of screen recorder. Thankfully, screen recorder is pre-built already available. Let's press it, and on the bottom right you can see the timer is going on, and you will see the stop button also. Okay, so now it's recording the screen. Wherever you will go, whatever you will do, it will record your screen. Okay, so it's the camera. Now let's stop it, and it stopped and saved the video recording into the gallery. Okay, now press the cross button to quit the screen recorder. Now let's go to the gallery, and here you will see the 2 albums like screenshot and the screen recorder. These are the screenshots, and the next one in the bottom, here's the screen recorder. Okay, let's open it and let's play the video that I recorded. So it recorded the video very good, in a good quality. So that's how you can take the screenshot on the Redmi Note 10, and that's how you can screen record or record your screen on the Redmi Note 10. Hope you found this video helpful. If yes, then make sure to like it, comment below if you have any question, and please subscribe this channel to support my work. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.